Well, what's up, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. Today, going a little risky. Haven't played these in a while, so I got two of these $20, 230 million cash explosions, tickets 5 and 6. Odds are going to run you 1 in 3.09, went up to $2.5 million. It's going to be your classic match and win. Beautiful orange and blue. It just goes so good together. Love it. That's why I buy these tickets. They're shiny. Make you buy it. Match and win, money bag, $100 instantly, 20x symbol, win 20 times the prize. Can you believe it? So without further ado, hey. So let's see how we do. Alright, looking for dirty. AZ's 15, 38, 35, deuce, 18, and 13. Let's do it. Right in the middle. No. 13 though. I like that. Starting off with a win. Hopefully it's a big win. 12, 11, 2 matches, 3 matches, probably gonna give us the classic 4 with 500 each, 4 matches. Come on, throw a 20x in or something. Excuse me. Lucky 32, ain't for you. Oh, 5 matches, 6 matches, 7 matches. All right, so this could be the 50 or it could be the hundo. I'm thinking it's more, I don't know, let's find out. 13. Oh, I forgot you can win 200 on this ticket as well. $30, so I'm less. The rest are ones. Looks like we have a profit session. So 6, I forgot which ones. 29, the dirty. All right, there's $50, so it's at least a hundo. I'll take it. Nice, 20, 40 with a 70 back. Wow. So the way this is looking, it might be a 2 hundo, and we like that. 18. Yep, it's a 200. So we got 50, or it could be more because we've only done 4 matches so far. Nice. So 50, 100, 120. Beautiful. It's been a while since I've gotten a big hit on a scratcher. I feel like there's more here. But 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 1 and a 2. There were 7 matches though. Which one? Because we got 30, 50, 100, 20, 40, 80. Where's it at? Where you be? 19. I mean, we know it's a 200, but come on now. What? We got 50, 80, 100, 20, 40, 80. Oh, I'm so confused now. I don't like this. 30, 31, 32, oh, 38. Oh my gosh, it's right there. $200 smackarones. That is BEA beautiful. Look at that. It has been a while, folks. It's been a while. 200, nice. So that puts us a $160 profit. All right, well, let's do that. Let's simple hunt and see if we can go back to back. That makes up for the session we just had yesterday. Come on, throw in a 20x. Oh. All right, let's see if we can go back to back. 31. 39. 29. 25. 45. I think I saw 45, didn't I? 35. Nope. 16. Nope. And last one. 2. Nope, but it doesn't matter because we just hit a nice $200 smackarone on this beautiful $20, 230 million cash explosion. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave 2 big thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I am glad I was able to find a big win before the end of the year. I mean, still got a couple more months, but anyways, take care, everybody. See you next one.